What's up guys, Mark here from VIP Shop Management. It's a very important video. It's a home screen has changed. Let me explain what is that. Basically, when you log in first, it brings you to the home screen. The only difference, it used to show the skeleton of VIP Shop Management with buttons on the corner. It says existing customer, new customer, and a quick estimate. It's the same thing, just better, more organized. Let's talk about it real quick. Just this is create a new customer, just like quick estimate basically. And you still have the ability to select the customer first and then create an estimate. And you do have request customer information via text message. It's really cool. On the side right here, you're gonna have the right side. You're gonna have the clock, the date, service writer, today's schedule. It's really cool. It's focused on today. Even activities, today's activity. At the bottom right here, you have if you're talking on the phone, you just wanna, instead of writing something on paper, you can just write it right here. It doesn't have a save button. You can type whatever you want and it saves it automatically. All the way at the bottom, you have a quick sale through Square Terminal. If you don't want to charge, if you don't want to create an estimate, you want to charge like $20 something, you could do that. All the way at the bottom right here, you can search by estimate or by an invoice. It's really simple. Just type the number and you can search it. 500 exit. And if you want to scan it too, you can. You just scan one real quick. And something really important actually, if you let's say I want to search for 18111, something in progress, what happens? So let's see, 18111, press enter. It says it's gonna tells you where's the location of it. It's gonna tell you just take me there, and it'll take you there and it will select it. So a couple more things too. Let's create a new estimate real quick right here. I'm gonna search. Now the list is expanding a little bit more right now, so you can see more options. And right here, I add the play number, and if the play number doesn't exist, you can see the unit number too. So everything's organized by make. So from BMW all the way to Toyota. Let's talk about what happened if you selected the wrong vehicle right here. I added a new option actually. If you click on the menu right here, you have an option right now to disconnect vehicle only and reselect, select it again. So select something else basically. Disconnect vehicle, and then it lists the whole thing. Now you can select Toyota Sienna. In this case, and right now actually it does check if there's an estimate that's already open or not. So remember that. I do want to talk about one more thing. So when you create an estimate right now or an invoice, it's going to be selected to concern. The bottom section, customer request, you still can use it, but I don't recommend using it. I recommend using concern unless the customer has some story and you want to type in that story. I understand that, but it's making noise, when it's making left turn, right turn, you can type it right here. But other than that, you should be focused on creating jobs. Basically, if a customer came in and says, I need an oil change, you just type oil change, press enter. I need a tire rotation. Same thing, keep him separate because we can build on that basically. I need an alignment, separate. That's how you need to think. Like each job is a separate. Brakes, make front brakes. You can say brakes make noise. So what happened is this is where you need to build on that. Another thing is we do have the option to create. If you go to vehicle inspection right here and go to DVI, and let's just start a new inspection right here. And let's say I did just underbody right here. Pass everything and just you need front brake pads and rotors. We go to summary, auto populate, the technician or whoever's doing this can type in, because this can open on tech mode. So front, you can say Y rusted, let's say rusted, front rusted, and send to work order. So now look, you have the customer concern right here, and you have the technician concern right here. And now you start building on top of that. We always talk about we don't have a title for jobs. Technically we do, because the concern could be should be the title actually. If I had an old change right here, say 6.45, and I want to add a title to this, I can drag the concern and I put it on top of that. And you can do that for the rest. And when you print, you know, it keeps everything organized. The concerns are right there. Again, always focus on jobs, like I said, you know, in small, short. Don't focus on writing too much. Writing too much doesn't make money. Let me just leave you with one thing in the end. VIP shop management is a money maker. Comparing to TechMetric, Shop Monkey, or anyone else, it's time consuming. It might look better because they use the user interface of a web application, but this one is super fast. Is money maker. Until next time, thanks for watching.